Want stronger, healthier tomato plants? Try this. Instead of planting your tomato upright, lay the stem sideways in a trench. Bury most of the stem, only the top leaves should stick out. Tomatoes grow roots all along the buried stem, making the plant stronger and able to absorb more nutrients. Follow me for more easy gardening tips.
Bury the battery in the garden. Cover it with a slice of tomato. Cover everything with soil, press it lightly, and then water generously. After just a few days, you'll see the first signs of growth. The battery releases energy that stimulates the plant's growth, improving its condition and accelerating development.
Plant it once and enjoy an endless supply of ginger. After a few weeks, lush green shoots emerge from the soil, and over time the plant can even bloom with an exotic flower. Once mature, simply reach into the pot and break off fresh ginger straight from your own plant. How long can you grow ginger hydroponically? Start with a clean, whole ginger rhizome placed flat in water. Sprouts will emerge in about 7 to 8 days, roots in around 15 days. After 2 to 2.5 months, it will look quite attractive. In roughly 3 months, it will be fully mature. If you're interested, give it a try. Grow a beautiful hydroponic ginger plant to use as a bonsai. Follow me for daily tips on planting.
Water your plants with these 4 liquids regularly and you won't need fertilizer anymore. Banana peels soaked in water and fermented are potassium fertilizer, promoting rapid growth. Soybeans soaked in water and fermented are phosphorus fertilizer, promoting flowering. Eggshells soaked in water are nitrogen fertilizer, promoting blooming and fruiting. Onion soaked in water removes yellow leaves and rotten roots. Like and follow if you can't remember.
Insane tomato treat.
Instead of planting the plant upright, try planting a tomato plant upside down. You will get not just a small yield, but an excellent production. Because usually, tomato plants are supported with ropes or bamboo sticks to help them grow upward. In the same way, sometimes farmers hang tomato plants upside down. With this method, the inverted plant grows quickly downward along straight vines, and when the flowers turn into fruit, the plant directs all its nutrients to the fruits. As a result, the tomato yield becomes very high and impressive.